Hey y'all, it's me, Caden, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Today I'll be working with a handmade closure unit, which is a loose curly in 20 inches, and it's made by me. So let's get started. We're going to be bleaching this ear from black to blonde. So I'll be sectioning off the back, working from the back up to the front. I'll be only doing one application.
I'll be using some
and this
BW2
will get the
powder
job
along
done.
with some 20 volume developer, and I want the consistency of the paste to be runny, not too thick, and I'm going to go ahead and do that application. So as I said, I'll be working from the back up to the front, and I'm not really focusing on the root section until I get to the closure. Once you apply the bleach to the hair, you can go ahead and wrap it in foil in order to speed up the bleaching process. But with this unit, I don't have to do that because it lightens super fast. I let it sit for a couple of minutes and boom, look at the result. It looks super nice. I'm just gonna go ahead, rinse it out and then let it dry. No, rinse it out and then add my Wella toners. I'm gonna list in the description all the things that I used to rinse it out. So at first I went in my reconstructor, I can't talk today, my reconstructor shampoo, and all these are from Iron except for the Tresemme conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead add the reconstructor conditioner, add my purple shampoos, my conditioners, and let them sit on it to bring back the moisture in the hair because I just bleached it. And then I'm going to go ahead add my Wella toners. So now this is how the hair looks after it has been washed out. I'm going to let it sit overnight and hair dry and then apply the Wella toners. So I'll be using the T18 and T14 with some 20 volume developer. So someone mentioned to me that I should try and apply it to dry hair to see a much better results. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to apply it to dry hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the contents together and then apply it to the unit. Look at how brassy it looks. I'm going to go ahead and add some Wella toner, and I mix the T18 and the T14 together with the 20 volume developer as I said earlier, and I'm going to be saturating it all over the unit. And this is how the hair looks after 20 minutes with the Wella toners. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out and add my Revlon Color Silk hair dye. So I'm going to be using the number 60, and I'm going to saturate the hair with it again, let it sit for a couple of, I think I'll let it sit for like an hour or two, and then I'm gonna rinse it out with all the shampoos again, the Purple Shampoo, conditioners, and all that. So I'm gonna deep condition it to get all the moisture back and that lust. This is how it looks after it has been washed out, air dried, and styled. And look at this beautiful color. I really love it. This is a nice honey blonde color. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend, tell another friend. And thank you guys so much for watching. Turn on your please subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can get more uploads like this one. Hair, makeup, all that good jazz. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.